How to use magic layers in Canva. Hey everyone, it's Maria here with Essetino Media, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Okay, so Magic Layers is a new feature that Canva has come out with. It is only available with Canva Pro because it is an AI feature, but it is a really cool tool. So what we want to do is go over to Uploads. You could go to Elements, but let's go to Uploads. And we're going to use this image here. It's a stock image that Jewel and Reet used a couple months ago when they went to CreatorCon. And right now, with this image, it's all one layer. It's an image that I've uploaded, so it's only one layer. I can't move anyone specifically around. It's just one image on its own here. But what I can do is click on Edit at the top, and you'll see here New where it says Magic Layers. So we're just going to click on this, and it's going to do its thing and start thinking. It's thinking forever. Okay, so it's done thinking, and now we have our image here in several different layers. So let's zoom in just so you guys can have a better look here. But you can see here, Arit is now her own layer. I can fully take her off and use her in a different image. I can save this image and download it and use it for with a different background if I want to. All of these people are their own layers. I can also change now. I can add this guy and put him in the back if I want to. And so we'd put him to back and then maybe back to the front or backward, and he'd be behind these letters or, we can put him behind Jewel, so to speak. And up here, each word is also its own layer. Even this little background image here is its own layer. I can move that forward if I want to. Everything is its own layer, and it was as simple as just one click on an image. So really handy new tool. I can see this being really, really helpful for creators down the road, especially if you do have a cool image like this, a If you've enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.